Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are going to place a very good trade on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. I hope you learned something from this video. I am now placing a trade here and I will be utilizing proper risk management. Always prioritize risk management as it allows you to prevent your account from being blown out. See you guys after applying all the trades. Guys, there are $2,448 in this account of mine. Our entry was executed at the absolute right time. This allows me to effectively follow risk management protocols. Currently we are running at a loss of a few dollars. However, according to my setup we will be in profit very soon. Now let me explain to you why I placed a sell trade here. The market is gradually moving downwards. As a result, we could witness a significant downward move in the future. Let me explain the market trend to you through the trend channel. The market is moving downwards along this trend line, forming lower highs, which indicates that the trend line has been well respected. We can also refer to these lower high points as resistance points. We will carefully connect this trend line with all these points. Here we will draw another trend line at the same angle, connecting the lower low points. This allows us to estimate how far the market will decline before reversing. This will enable us to determine the exact location of the market. Currently the market has been moving within this very trend channel for the past 2 days. This has created an excellent selling opportunity for us here, one that we intend to capitalize on fully, because I always place trades only on high probability setups. Now I will create a strong reversal level here, which will provide us with further confirmation. The market has repeatedly reversed at this level, resulting in the formation of support and resistance points at the same price level. This constitutes a strong reversal level for the market. Here you can clearly see that the market is respecting this level well, through which we will be able to see multiple support and resistance points. The market has just broken below this level, significantly increasing the chances of a further decline. This is our high probability setup, which makes the chances of this trade winning very high. Our analysis work here is complete. Now let's place the stop loss and profit target. My stop loss will be above a strong level and inside the downtrend channel, which is 7 pip higher. If my stop loss gets hit here, we will exit this trade, and the profit target will be 14 pip lower. According to our analysis, the market could reach this target. Since the market has been moving in a downtrend for quite some time, I am following a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, our profit is currently hovering around $200 and it will gradually increase further. According to our analysis, the market should go down. Now I will set stop loss and profit target. Guys, now we wait patiently for the market to go down because patience is the key to success. If you want to make a profit from the market, you must master all trading skills because trading is not a job but a business. If you gain control over your emotions, you can become a profitable trader. Trading requires following certain rules, which stems from discipline. Discipline plays a huge role in trading. We will talk about this another time. I'll catch you guys after the stop loss or profit target gets hit. Until then, enjoy the video.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in it. Oh man, I'm all that.
Beautiful move, guys. The market has given us a very good move, exactly as we were expecting. It is currently moving down rapidly and our analysis was spot on. I have used a trend following strategy here, the results of which you can see in the chart. The market encountered resistance at the exact level where we had drawn a strong reversal level. My stop loss was at this level, which did not get hit. I had placed the stop loss here based on a strong support resistance level. Now I will draw out the next level for you, so that you can get an idea of the kind of pattern the market is currently forming. At this level the market has established multiple support points. However, the market broke through this level some time ago. As a result, a support becomes resistance pattern could form here, a strong pattern characteristic of a downtrend. A selling opportunity could arise here once again as the market is still following a downtrend channel. Let's close the trade now. Our goal has been achieved. Guys, we are currently running a profit of over $2,500. This account of mine originally held $2,448, which has now grown to $5,016. We generated this profit through a solid setup. We did not rush to place the trade, but rather entered only when a selling opportunity emerged in the market, through which we secured a sniper entry. If you gained even a little bit of knowledge from this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.